Hello guys, welcome to the hashtag Hammer YouTube channel. Okay, so सबसे पहले मैं स्टार्ट करना चाहता हूँ with a quote that says never confuse good trading with a bull market. Okay, never confuse good trading with a bull market. So I'm going to give you what our community did right here. Okay, this is one of the huge returns uh, that people made out of my community. Hashtag Hammer. We people did a really great job. Okay, although personally I was not in the trade because of funds. Okay, all of my money was in different and several other stocks. But in this video, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to analyze also, I'm going to tell each and every bit of how we anticipated the move. And for the proof, you can see this is 20th August, okay, right here. And this is our hashtag Hammer Telegram group right here. Okay, so we discussed that this was, I told them that this was a nice closing in Linde given by one of you only. Okay, so there were people discussing it in our community that do watch Linde India. We hope that it might give a breakout. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, 2 minutes were left, and Linde India was giving the breakout of the mother candle right here. You can see. Okay, so what actually triggered this big move right here? Okay, so what one can say is, let's not hope that it was giving a big move. Okay, and let's keep our ego small. Okay, what one can do right here is to trade the particular pattern. And why we took the trade? Because stop losses are cheap as compared to egos and hope. If you get that, you will be able to understand why we took the trade, why most of the people took the trade right at this candle. Okay, and they were not entering at this breakout. Okay, because of course stop losses are cheap as compared to egos and hope. So if you see this particular line right there, many people would say that this is a breakout and they captured this 12%. Well, of course, that's good for them. But we here in hashtag Hammer, we trade with different mentality. Okay, we trade with something else. So I'm going to tell you guys what actually we guys saw in this particular charting pattern. Okay, so we saw that the stock was making a really good support at this area, and out of that support मतलब इस particular trend line, ये जो trend line इसने create करी है, out of that trend line you can see the stock was already making a trend line that is creating an angle that is higher above it. Okay, that is higher above it, so the stock is getting slightly bullish. Okay, the stock is getting slightly bullish. Also it is respecting the lower trend line and getting the retest. Okay, now if we create a trend line right from the above, and this was an impulse move. Okay, so we get an impulse move, so we are able we would be easily able to make another trend line right at this particular area. Now this is a very good concept I'm going to tell you guys right here. This is known as confluence consolidation thing. Okay, so if you see right here, this is a at the confluence area. This is a confluence area. People, this is a confluence circle. Basically, people who would be enrolled in my course, of course, would be knowing the concept of confluence area and consolidatory. They would be knowing the technique, the strategy for the swing traders on the day closing basis only, that how to trade the consolidatory confluence thing. Okay, there were a lot of example, I guess, for you guys only. So people they and from my course only, there was one person who actually booked huge profit. Okay, so he DM'd me and I told him to book the profits on this mover candle at the day's end. Okay, so on 24th he booked it. Now why I am so pinpointed, why I pinpointed this particular stock only, because guys, this stock not only was in our watch list just before the breakout. Okay, this gave a tremendous movement of 40%. So that's how we guys are trading right here. And if you let me move on to the video and do not emotions में थोड़ा नहीं जाता हूँ, because it's a really happy moment, although मैं trade में नहीं था, but good movement for my guys at least. Okay, so if you create a line like that, okay, like that, you will see that how this is a consolidation now. Okay, now you see that you have the great idea that it has given a breakout, but the breakout is not that good. Okay, so it is consolidating even after the confluence zone is passed away. So on the confluence zone, the stock was not giving you anything. Let me remove everything now. Okay, and now you know that it has given a breakout at this area. Okay, not a efficient breakout, but it is popping out at least from that area, from the bottom area. Also it is getting a good support at these areas. Now, if you see carefully right at this area, you will see, if you join the closing of the candles, you will see that at these areas, it is giving closing above it. Okay. Are we good to go long? No, we are not good to go long. Why? Because you will see that the candle created on 10th August, the candle created on 10th of August, uh, has a really good space in this particular area. So once the level of 1889 is been taken out, okay, so what's this level right here? This 1889, you can say 1900 around. Okay, so this is the level of 1900 around, and we picked the stock right at 1965. Okay, 1965 was our pickup entry. This was our pickup entry right here, 1965 at this candle. Okay, so this was our area of entering. Okay, many of them entered right here, and that is how we actually preferred the breakout. Okay, so many people would be entering right at this particular area, right at these candles, but you have, if the confluence area is not providing you a beneficial candle right there at the confluence zone, okay, if you are not getting a, at the confluence circle, basically if you are not getting a good candle, good breakout candle, so you have to make something after that. Okay, and the stock gave us a really good contraction pattern. So this is the contraction pattern we were talking about, and the stock popped out. And just see, we were not hoping any big movements. Okay, we were not hoping anything, and that's the first best thing a trader can do, and focus on the stop loss. So why we entered at this small candle? Because we already knew that the stock used to give big movements like 8%, okay, like 6%. The stock used to give big movements in the bigger, the candles are huge. Okay, right here you can see 4%. This candle is only 3 to 4% long. Okay, and the potential of the stock is more than 8%. So we will exit our trade on more than 8% or around 8%. That would be our mover candle exit, and we would be sitting in the trade if it is giving small candles. So that's our mentality of putting the stop loss. The stop losses are cheap as compared to your egos and hope. So now people entering right at this area and scalping it. Just imagine how painful it is, how difficult it is to handle this particular trade. Okay, you are entering a good stock actually, but not at the right spot. Okay, so entry and exit makes all the difference. So this was our pretty small stop loss. Okay, this was our pretty small stop loss right there. Okay, that was around 4%, only 4% stop loss. And there was one guy who literally booked 35% in our hashtag hammer community. Hats off to him. I would not be able to book that much, but personally I would be able to book at least 18% out of it, because the second candle here is 4%. So I would definitely be waiting to see a rejection at least from these areas on the 1 hour time frame, either this level, that is 2075. If we get a rejection at 1 hour right at these areas, just see, that would be my exit. But you can see the stock is still consolidating, all the candles are red, and it gives a breakout yet again. Okay, this breakout will help me to trade furthermore. Okay, so why I'm exiting at this candle? Because this candle is 12%, and the stock, this is the mover candle of this stock. Okay, so we should definitely exit on mover candles, but the stock actually gave around 40% in just 4 trading days. So you can call it luck. Okay, you can call it luck, but our setup was ready. Our setup was ready, and we met the opportunity. So opportunity and the setup, that's what we call lucky. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. I hope you loved it. Okay, and that was some there was some technical things also, although this was like a happy video. I was really happy for my people, so I made it. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you like it, and we'll be providing you much more content. You can follow me on TradingView. We have a 2000 follower family on TradingView, and it's increasing like anything. Okay, uh, we have a good Telegram channel of around 300 people, and definitely look forward to see my website that's called #hammer.com. Okay, so you can go there if you want to buy the course. It's 2000 for 2 months. Okay, as cheap as possible. Okay, so thank you for your patience, your time.